Hello, everyone. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Today we have Walk Around Wednesdays, and we have a special treat for you today, a 2011 Chevrolet Impala LT V6, 220 horsepower, 17 miles per gallon, city, 27 miles per gallon on the highway. I want you to know that we also have merchandise at ArizonaRidersClub.com. You can find all the swaggiest gear. Make sure you head over there and purchase some of the gear before we get back into this Impala. It's light, it's sleek, and it looks oh so good when you're at the pool. So go ahead and get that purchase at ArizonaRidersClub.com. But let's get back to this 2011 Chevrolet Impala. Cold AC, runs forever. If you want to know how much we have this on sale, you can always reach out to us at ArizonaRidersClub.com and we'll let you know. And to book a test drive, you can also reach out to us at ArizonaRidersClub.com. Ride with us.